it is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. 11 psychological tricks to make your ex regret having lost you. Breakups are almost always accompanied by pain, resentment, and humiliation. When experiencing such dark feelings, it can be difficult to live in peace until the ex-boyfriend or girlfriend feels at least a fraction of similar emotions. Here I tell you 11 proven ways to make your ex regret losing you. 1. Limit contact with your ex, but stay within sight. Many heartbroken people make the common mistake of staying in touch with their ex after a breakup. But why would someone continue to communicate with a person who abandoned them in the first place? Basically, there are two explanations: they had a friendly breakup or they are still not over their ex-partner. 2. Don't be the backup plan. The less contact you have with your ex immediately after the breakup, the better. But there is a critical nuance. Your ex-partner will forget you faster if you don't show yourself. Instead, you need him to know about changes in your life, new activities, and friends. Therefore, use social media as it is the fastest way to spread the word about what you do. 3. Become a better version of yourself. Ask yourself why you think she left you. Maybe you've stopped exercising or are wearing pajamas everywhere. Only you know what attracts your partner. Basically, any change for the worse can cause a breakup. Your partner may say something like, "I don't recognize you anymore," or "You're not the same person I used to date." The most common reasons for a breakup are development of annoying or harmful habits, gain or lose weight, flirt with others, becoming distracted or unsupportive, lies and cheating. 4. Make him think you're over the breakup. Many girls or guys stalk their ex after the breakup. They write you angry messages and emails, call in the middle of the night and get angry, which is ugly behavior. If your ultimate goal is to release negative emotions, perhaps this option will bring you relief. But it is unlikely that any person would be attracted to someone who cannot control their behavior and is clearly an insecure person. 5. Stay calm and move on. Let's say you want your ex to regret leaving you. Show him calm and serenity. Even if you're not feeling it right now, she pretends that you're okay. Be careful not to go too far with this game. You don't want to appear too cheerful when you see your ex on the street. You cannot deceive her into believing that she has no bitterness left in you. 6. Achieve success. Don't worry. It is not necessary to win a Nobel Prize for your ex to regret leaving you. But becoming more successful than you were is, without a doubt, an unexpected turn of events. Maybe your ex has overlooked something about you, an extraordinary talent, for example. Mystery is attractive, as is a new job or hobby. 7. Expand your social circle. Another way to make your ex regret letting you go is to find new acquaintances and friends. But at the same time, don't cut ties with existing friends unless they are toxic. The older a person is, the more difficult it is for them to let someone into their personal space. You can start with your coworkers. 8. Causes a little jealousy. Your ex is probably sure that you are crying your eyes out after leaving you. Don't give him so much pleasure. Yes, you are sad, but your ex doesn't need to know that. She tries to smile more often. She is friendly and good-natured. At first you will have to convince yourself or even pretend that everything is fine until it finally comes true. 9. Traveling is always an option. For example, if you start dating the first person who walks by, your relationship runs the risk of ending faster than your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend finds out. If you must have someone by your side, make sure you feel good being around him or her. If you are lucky to have found a new person romantically interested in you, your ex will feel jealous and boost your self-esteem. 10. Enjoy your free life. You're probably thinking, how can I enjoy life if I'm constantly thinking about my ex and having trouble sleeping and concentrating? So here's a counter question: do you enjoy being in this emotional pit, slowly losing your zest for life? Your ex wouldn't want to have a pathetic version of you again. It's not sexy. You can only make him regret hurting you if you start enjoying your life. 11. You must take care of yourself. As long as you hold on to the past, you will be emotionally dependent on your ex. You create a situation where other people control your feelings. but you have to turn it around. So he starts to enjoy what you do and who you are. Don't put on a fake show because your ex will quickly notice you. Be kind to yourself and learn to see your inner beauty that your ex didn't notice. Over time, your positive sides will be visible to everyone around you. And if after that your ex doesn't want to get back with you, he is not worthy of having you and he will never make you happy. You are an essential part of what we do on this channel. For this reason, we keep an eye on what you need, and if it is your desire to recover your ex correctly and effectively, you must click on the link below.